Are you applying to a lot of jobs only to get an automated rejection email? You're not alone. Especially in this job market, it's more difficult to land an interview and be shortlisted for a position, knowing that lots of companies are having layoffs or advertising for fake openings.
Fake, 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 fake.
That's why it's really crucial to have an impactful CV that will give you a competitive edge and will enable you to pass companies' applicants tracking systems, or ATS for short. In this video, I'll show you how to build a CV with AI tools such as ChatGPT and Resume Worded. I'm Anas, welcome to Exonetica. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure to check my other videos and subscribe if you'd like to see similar content in the future. To check the job description, for example, as you can see, this is a position for a data analyst at Amazon, the United Arab Emirates at Dubai. For example, this is a background about the company, and these are the key job responsibilities: development of data collection and processes and data management systems, designing of queries, compiling of data, compiling of data, developing dashboards, supporting leadership, data collection and entry, data mining and problem solving, present analysis in easily diagnostic, supports ICQA and learning team projects. And here we have the basic qualifications. The first one is proficient with data warehouse reporting and query design, ability to query web sources, experience in building and managing reporting tools, advanced knowledge SQL, knowledge of BI tools such as Power BI, strong analytical and learning, knowledge in Python, good written and spoken English. Preferred qualifications: initiative, data collection processes, experience with Oracle, Ruby. So you have preferred qualifications and also the basic qualifications that you should have. So now I'm gonna use ChatGPT to help me write my resume. Write down that I want a CV, a resume written based on my profile, that I'm living in the United Arab Emirates, for example, and what I have in experience and education, and based on the job description and the position that you'd like to work. After that, ChatGPT will help you by generating a resume. You can copy and paste and modify what ChatGPT has written to what you have in mind and to what will get you more points on Resume Worded in the future. Give you more in the bullet points in which it shows accomplishments, which is something that you need to have in your resume. You need to have accomplishments, not only tasks, but you need to list the accomplishments that you've done in your education, for example, if you're a recent graduate, or if you have internships or hackathons that you've took part in. Make sure to note accomplishments rather than noting down or writing down the tasks that you've made. Here I wanted to quantify my internship experience, so I asked ChatGPT to please give me a quantifiable number or quantify that. For example, you can say that you were building dashboards. For example, you can quantify that. How many dashboards have you built in your internship experience, or how many reports have you successfully produced, and what was the impact on the business line? If it can be managed or it can be quantified, you should definitely write that down in your CV to give it more impact. And remember that numbers are easier to remember than just talk. Your name, address, phone number, email. If I'm a fresh graduate, it will be the education is the most recent. List your experience, technical skills, and the languages that you have. Also the awards, of course, volunteer work. Always have your CV printed as PDF. After that, we're gonna go to Resume Worded. Of course, you have to choose your level: entry level, mid level, and senior level. It has different points. The first one is impact, brevity, style, sections. So I got 100 in the style and sections, but the brevity and impact not 100. So the resume length, it's too short. You need to have more text in your resume. Filler words, of course, you need to put it. And for the impact, you have weak verbs. We have quantifying impact, so you need to quantify your resume more than that. And also what's really important is that if you're talking about a current position, make sure that you put the tense in the present tense. But if you're talking about an old experience or something that has passed, for example, you've graduated from university, you should put all of the verbs in all of the action verbs in the past tense. So I got 52, which is more than the past. Invest your time in building the resume. Try to tweak it, try to add or change alternative action verbs that could be stronger, and also make sure that all of the grammar is correct in your resume. Quantifying the resume, it's also really important to have numbers on your CV, that you have an overall score of 85 or more. Put your target to reach 90 and more than that before even applying to any job. From experience, cover letters is not that important for ATS because companies don't even look at cover letters most of the time. But it doesn't take much time. If you're writing a cover letter with ChatGPT, you can just post the job description, and based on your profile you can generate a cover letter easily and just copy and paste it, print it as PDF and send it out to the company that you're applying to. You should always have a cover letter in your application. And if you notice, when applying to jobs, most of the job portals say that having a resume is mandatory. That's why it's really crucial to have an impactful CV, because the CV will determine if you get shortlisted or if your CV gets noticed by HR or not. But the cover letter, I would suggest that you always have a cover letter attached, but most of the time they're not gonna look at it, so don't invest much time in writing a cover letter. I've written like cover letter, I'm writing to apply for a data analyst position for Amazon. I have a bachelor's in computer science, internship in EY, equipped with the skills to contribute effectively to Amazon's data-driven initiatives. During my internships, I developed the dashboard, data visualization with Power BI. So it has written a cover letter based on my profile. And I put the address of the company and my address to support Amazon's business objectives. I'm excited about the opportunities to leverage my expertise in data analytics, visualization, and automation to contribute to Amazon's innovation projects. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of discussing how can I add to the business line or to the job description. Thank you for watching this video, and please write in the comments down below what was your experience in applying to jobs and why do you think was the reason for getting rejected for the jobs that you applied for. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to X Analytica for similar content in the future.